Hello and welcome guys to Diecast Photography. Today we have a very special unboxing here, and it's none other than the Ducati XDR. It's a 1:18 scale model by Bburago, and if you like my content, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and for more videos keep following on Diecast Photography. You can also check out my other videos which I've made for the bikes, and as of now we can just go ahead and unbox this one. You can see an overview of packaging here. So it's a see-through typical Bburago packaging. The price quoted is 599 rupees or almost 8 USD, and it's more or less the similar pricing in other countries as well. The box is a little bit torn up due to the transportation. You can see the original logos. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox. So here's a closer look of the bike, and it's personally my favorite bike because of the design and styling, and also Bburago has made it a very beautifully sculpted bike. So here's an overview guys. The headlamp is gleams in, as you can, if it's possible for you to see. The Ducati logo is embossed in the headlamp as well, and the typical design, it's neither a cruiser sports, but it's I think a hybrid cruiser sports bike. So because it's a very low riding sitting position like a cruiser, but then the motor is quite sporty. The detailing is quite good in my feel, very beautiful. And the highlighting part is probably the rear tire. Just the design is simply awesome and overall adds to the sheen. Front tire is also beautiful, but then the disc brakes allow it to be less more visible. And the rear tire, the Brembo logo, all originality maintained here. And so it has a rear mounting suspension, free rolling tires. The bike is made of mostly they cast metal and some elements of plastic here, while the tires are made of rubber. So let's quite a beautiful. As you can see, the suspension is highlighted with a golden yellow color here, and very dual tone finish, very beautiful here. So that's it for today's video guys. Keep watching Diecast Photography, and thank you and have a good day.